The slope of a line passing through any 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope of a line passing through any 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Remember this formula, remember this formula.
We'll find out the slope of a line passing through the points 5, 4 and 8, 6. Here we'll assume that the point 5, 4 to be x1, y1, and there is another point 8, 6. We'll assume this another point 8, 6 to be x2 and y2. It means that x1 represents 5 and y1 represents 4. x2 represents 8 and y2 represents 6. We know that the formula for slope, that is m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is equals to y2, that is 6, and y1, that is 4, x2, that is 8, and x1, that is 5. So this is equals to 2 upon 3. So the slope here comes out to be 2 upon 3. This way you can find out the slope of any line passing through any two given points. After this, we'll go towards some special conditions. Let us take any 2 points on a straight line. Suppose the points are A 2, 9 and another point is B 6, 9. So if you see here carefully, we find that the x coordinate of point A is 2 and the y coordinate of point A is 9. Similarly, the x coordinate of B is 6 and the y coordinate of B is 9. Here we can easily find that the y coordinate is same in both cases. Okay, y coordinate of point A is 9 as well as y coordinate of B is also 9. So what happens if the y coordinate of any 2 points on the same line are equal? Now we'll find out what happens here. So for the first point x1, that is 2, and y1, let's assume 9. For the second point, we say that x2 is 6 and y2 is 9. So here it's clear that the y coordinate in both cases, in the first case as well as in the second case, are equal. These y coordinates are equal. So what will happen in case the y coordinates are similar? Let us find out. Slope equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 means 9 minus 9, and x2 minus x1 is 6 minus 2. So this comes out to be 0 upon 4, that is equals to 0. So now it is clear that if the y coordinate for any 2 points on a line are equal, we found that the slope comes out to be 0. Okay, so remember this point. If y coordinates are same, then slope is always 0. What does it mean? What does it mean that slope of a line is 0? It means that the line is parallel to the x-axis. It means the line is parallel to x-axis. The line is parallel to x-axis. This is the conclusion in case the y coordinates of both points are similar. There may be another condition. X coordinate may also be equal. If x coordinate for any 2 points are equal, what will happen then? What will be the scenario? Let us proceed towards that condition now. Let us draw a line. Take point C. suppose 4 comma 3, and let's take another point D on the same line, suppose 4 comma 5. In this case x coordinates are same. What will happen if x coordinates are same for any 2 points? So here we'll assume that x1 is 4, y1 is 3, x2 is here again 4, but y2 is here 5. So here we see that x coordinate in both cases, in the first case it's 4 as well as in the second case is also 4. So what will be the value of slope in this case? Let's find out. M equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is equals to 5 minus 3 by 4 minus 4 equals to 2 by 0. So 2 is a non-zero number, and whenever 2 is being divided by 0, the result is undefined. We see it to be undefined, or sometimes the value infinite is used. What does it mean in case the slope is undefined? This condition occurs only when the x coordinate of both the points are similar. In such cases we say that the line is parallel to the y-axis. Previously what did we found? The line was parallel to x-axis. In this case what we say? The line is parallel to y-axis. We say that the line is parallel to y-axis. So we learned here two cases. The first case was parallel to x-axis, and the second case here is parallel to the y-axis. So remember that if x coordinates of any 2 points, okay, if x coordinate of any 2 points are equal, in this case line is parallel to y-axis. Line is parallel to y-axis. This is the first point. And in the second point what we learned? If y coordinates of any 2 points are equal, if y coordinates of any 2 points, the example we learned just now, if y coordinates of any 2 points are equal, then we found that the slope was 0. In such case line is parallel to x-axis. So these are the 2 points.